What's going on YouTube? It's your boy, it is Andre. Welcome back to a brand new video. And in this video, I'm going to be talking about 5 websites, right? That you can make money online freelancing. So if you guys want to know more about that freelancing stuff, stick around for this video. So if this is your first time to my channel, an absolute welcome. Welcome to this channel. On here, I talk about entrepreneurship, how to make money online, and just a better way for you to escape that 9 to 5 grind, and you want to be able to stay at home and be with your family as well. So I'm a full-time online entrepreneur, and this is what I do. So I know how it is. Many people out there would love to do the same, so you can spend more time with your family, because that's what I do. I have a 17-month-old son. From shooting this video today, of course, that's why I do this. So anyways, I'm going to jump into things right away. I'm going to show you guys 5 websites that you can start making money online, right? And you can start today. So the very first website, it's called Upwork. And you probably heard me talk about this, in some other videos, but you can come on here and you can get things done, right? You have all different type of stuff. So if you have a special skill, I know a lot of people say, yeah, Upwork is a lot of competition, but try to find something that is lessened and pick a niche that you want to target. It's all about within your niche. You're not going to go into the niche that a lot of people, and there's a lot of competition, right? Of course, it's good to be where the competition is, but you want to make sure that you kind of stay away from the noise and just pick something that you're probably good at and something you want to work with. So go on here, check out the different things that they have to offer. They have all different type of stuff. And I personally know people that are working on here, right, that are offering their services, and try to find, jobs or whatever it is that can give you like an hour or 30 minutes. Don't try to find like, one that's going to take you 4, 5, 6 hours or maybe an entire day for you to make some money. So the little jobs that you can like knock out in like an hour, half an hour and stuff, at least it will keep you going. It will keep you busy and you can make money that way. All right. So our second website that I'm going to be talking about is called 99. So 99designs.com, they do designs. As you can see, design makes anything possible, right? So this is like logos, website, book covers, and more. And if you scroll down, you can see that, it's all about logo and, a lot of different logo stuff on here. So you can get started and you could just check it out. There's a lot of designs on here. And if you are a, logo designer, feel free to check this out. If you're someone who creative, maybe you do your work on Adobe, I don't know, other different websites that you want to, try and, just look at what they have here. They have some really cool stuff. So make sure you check it out. All right. So number 3 freelancing website is Guru. So it's guru.com. You find and hire a freelancer. They have tons and tons of people here, right? So post a job for free. And how you do it, right? You could join now, find a job. You could click on here if you want to know how to find a job, and you could just go through here. Now look at the rate that they are displaying here. So can you imagine going into 2019, doing this stuff? Like this is posted 6 minutes ago, right? Fixed price. You can get from like 1K to 2,500. So there's a lot of people that are like looking on this already. So as you can see, I think they're looking for long-term NLP engineer who's good with algorithm. So people are looking for job, right? Help. Well, there's a he'd help. I probably think they probably put an N. Need help. So under 250. So people are posting their job on here and asking people, hey, can you create, a website for me? Can you do this? Can you do content writing, right? As you can see, if you look through here, you can see the different type of freelancing job that you can do, right? And gigs. So again, if you're like working a lot and you want to spend some more time with your family, start to doing these things, right? Do these things on the weekend. Do it on your time off. Try to find gigs that you can at least complete in your time off, and it will work out for you, right? And eventually, when you have something going, take that money, invest into another business, and that's how it is. So the next website, it's called freelancer.com. So freelancer.com, right? I want to hire or I want to work. So you definitely want to go here because you want to work. You can sign up through your Facebook account, or you could just join, just click on where it says sign up and just go for it, right? They have a lot of freelancing work here as well. And these are the best websites that you can find that will surely get you some money and get you going. Like, look at this. Website developer starting at $100. Graphic design starting at 90. Internet marketing starting at 150. Mobile app starting at 200. So there's a lot of different gigs here, right? Ghostwriting, marketing, data processing, all the different things that you want. You could just go through here and just see what fits for you and just apply for it. And the final website that I'm going to be talking about is People Per Hour. This is a freelance website as well that you can start making money today. And if you look through here, there's a tons of work, hiring minutes, pay per hour, right? Just go through here and see what fits for you, and you could sign up, right? So how it works, you could click on here, or you could sign up, click on how it works. Always check out that before you actually, sign up for anything. So just read the sign up section on all of these websites and see what works for you, see how they're going to get paid. Some of them, I do believe it's probably like PayPal. Some of them is through your bank account. So you want to make sure you have PayPal, because majority of people these days got a PayPal account. So that will be easy and efficient for you to work with. All right. So that is the 5 websites. I hope you guys find something here that will work for you. And again, if you're looking for my number one way of making money online, passive income, bringing in $200 or $300, every single day, check out the link in the description. Let me know. And if you're watching this anywhere around the world, post in the comments here, and I would love to hear from you. My name is Andre. Peace. Talk to you soon.